Mill-Forti Santirmu mhux ħammorru l-bot ħafna dar il-Mediterran. Għal-jum l-Omm hemmhekk se jsir kunċert iżda dwaru ser tgħidilna aktar sera li tammit f'dan is-servizz.
Bħalissa għaddejjin preparamenti għal kunċert speċjali għal-jum l-Omm ġewwa dar il-Mediterran il-Belt Valletta. Programm taħt id-direzzjoni musikali ta' Alexej Gallia Kafallazzi. Program varjat u interessanti b'mużika minn Norveġja, Ġermanja, Ġorġa u Brażil.
Bla dubju l-highlight se tkun il-kunċert ta' Mendelssohn għal pjano, violino u orkestra għax ħanaqdu flimkien mal-Georgian Sinfonietta li hija l-Orkestra Statali tal-Ġorġa ma' Alessandro Borgomanero li hu violinist Taljan mill-Brażil li ħajdoq fuq l-Stradivarius tiegħu ma' Mikhail Litski li huwa professur tal-pjano fil-Konservatorju ta' Mosca u miegħi bħala direttur. Jiġifieri ħajkonna biex ngħidu hekk kollox maqut daqqa. Il-programm ovvjament jirrifletti naħseb ir-realtà tal-forzi li għandna l-orkestra, violinist u pjanist u ħajkonna kunċert tal-pjano solo ta' Mozart in E flat major li ħajdoq Litski, ħajkonna wkoll biċċa mużika ta' kompożitur Brażiljan nobre jisimha Desafio 3, tielet waħda li tfisser sfida bil-Portugiż, ħajkonna l-Holberg Suite li ħaniftħu biha ta' Edvard Grieg u ħajkonna biċċa mużika wkoll mill-Ġorġja ta' kompożitur tas-seklu 20 Tsintzadze jisimha Music for Strings. Ovvjament aħna żinna il-La Vallette Hall għaliex naħseb għal orkestra li pjuttost mhux kbira ħafna ta' strings biss, akustikament ħatkun l-aħjar post li nistgħu nużaw. Naħseb illi għandna mużika li aċċessibbli ħafna anki għal meta tismagħha l-ewwel darba. Għandna biċċtej tas-seklu 20 illi huma aċċessibbli wkoll, però huma biċċiet tal-mużika pjuttost moderni, forsi għal mhux imdorri isibhom naqra differenti, però għal dik ir-raġuni stess naħseb iktar nista' nieħdu interess u niġu biex niskopru affarijiet ġodda.
I'm very happy to be here in this nice country that I only heard about, and it's the first time I'm here, so I'm very happy to meet this new country and this friendship with Alexei that began in February when we played a concert together with an orchestra in Sicily. And another great pleasure was to meet Mikhail Litski today. We flew together for coincidence from Rome to Malta, and I look forward and I'm very happy for this beautiful Mendelssohn concerto that we're going to perform together here in Malta on Sunday.
What distinguishes one performer from another? Probably it's a matter of personal, I would say. Well, it's a personal matter in a sense that every single man is different from another. Probably in music there are so many opportunities to find a good solution. There are so many of such opportunities that to select a good solution, to find a good solution, is not available for everybody. It's a matter of so-called talent, probably. Actually, talent is a good word which could explain everything, but it is too ambiguous to put it, I would say, correctly. Talent is an intuition, is a feeling, and all the rest is training, more or less, is perception of music, of culture in general. But I would say, once you haven't received anything from God, you cannot buy it in a drugstore. When I was young in Kala, I was stupid enough to dream. But so far as I know, the life normally turns more or less anyway, it realizes itself as something unexpected, more or less. So, I mean, the truth distinguishes itself from a dream. A dream is always naive. Yes, of course, I dreamed And what came out later, well, something came out.
No, we get used to concentrate on the stage and perform in any stage where you are. Of course, there is always a big energy and sympathy with the public. So each public reacts in a different way, and we react also to a different way according to the public and according to the music. So, of course, more the public is enthusiastic, more we play enthusiastic. So we need to cheer up the public, and the public needs to cheer up the musicians. So it's a change of experience, a change of energy, and this is a great experience when you play all over the world, because you meet different kinds of public and different kinds of people. This is very great, a great experience. Mendelssohn is actually, I think, the centerpiece of this concert, the concert for violin, piano, and orchestra. It's a very singular situation because it's together with a concert of Haydn, the only two concerts with this organization of violin solo, piano solo, and orchestra. And this concert Mendelssohn composed when he was 13 years old, so he was a very precocious genius. And it's a very beautiful concerto with very nice themes, lyricism, and very virtuosistic for the violin and for the piano. So the public in Malta can expect a very brilliant piece, because this concerto has to be played with a lot of brilliance and with a lot of virtuosity. And I hope we can show this to the public here in Malta.
Nar il-ħadd 10 ta' Mejju ġewwa dar Mediterran il-Belt Valletta fis-6:30 ta' filgħaxija. L-aktar informazzjoni sur is-sit elettroniku mcc.com.mt.